Hi, this video today will guide you on how to connect to Webex as a panelist. This video today is done on a Windows operating system called Windows 10. Older operating systems will look similar, however, today we are doing it on Windows 10. If you would like to see a guide on how to join a Webex event using a Mac, please refer to another video. When joining Webex events, we highly recommend you use a direct network cable plugged into your device, as this will enhance the audio and video quality. We also recommend that you use a headset, as this will further improve the audio quality and reduce feedback. So when you get an email from Webex detailing that you've been invited to a Webex event, you will see something very similar to this. So what you want to do is click Join Event. That will open up a browser to this point. We highly recommend that you use Google Chrome, as it is the best browser regarding success rate. So once you get here, you need to fill in your details that you provided to the court staff. They do have to be the same, or it will not let you join. Now you'll notice that the event actually hasn't started. So when it hasn't started and you try and submit, it's not going to let you join. Webex events are always started 30 minutes before the hearing is meant to begin. So I'll start this now. Once started, you simply refresh the browser, which you can do so at home just by checking every 5 minutes, and you'll see now that it's started. So now we'll try and submit again, and it's accepted the information and will let us join. So let's click the join button. Now in this screen, you'll see down the bottom, don't want to use an extension, run a temporary application. That's what you want to click. So the file will be downloaded in the bottom left if you use Google Chrome, which we recommend. If you use Firefox, the download will appear somewhere around here. And if you use Microsoft Edge, it will appear somewhere around here. If you get lost trying to find the download in whichever browser you're using, you can also get to it by opening up File Explorer, go into the Downloads option, and the file will be here. But for today's video, we're going to open it up in Google Chrome. So this is the next page that you see. So it's going to get you to confirm just some details regarding the audio output and the headphones you're using, a microphone, and you can click Join Event. So this is the actual event. So in this area is where you will see all panelists who will be seen and heard during the event. Down the bottom here is the unmute button, which will allow you to speak. However, the bench clerk will usually control this and unmute and mute people when required. There's also Start Video, which will turn on your camera and you will be able to be seen by anyone viewing the event, including attendees. Down at the bottom right, if you click Participants, you will see the panelists, which at the moment it is myself, which is CCOV Test, and the host of the event. Down the bottom right also, if you click Chat, this will allow you to speak to people who are viewing the event. Mostly, you will want to speak to the host. So if you go here, send a test message, they will get that and respond to you accordingly. There's another way that you can view the event also. So at the moment, it is set to active speaker view. So that means whoever is currently speaking at the current time will be the person who takes up the entire screen. However, you can also change this to grid view. Changing it to grid view will show all panelists who are in the event on the screen. So if there are 6 people, you will see 6 squares. If you have any issues connecting to the event using the download link, there's another way that you can get on. So we'll close this. And if you speak to your court staff that's been dealing with you regarding this event, they will provide you with an event number. So if we copy this, open up Google Chrome and search for Webex, whether you use Bing or Google as your search option, you'll want to find www.webex.com. So we'll open this up. Click the Join button at the top right. Enter in the meeting ID. And fill in your details again that you provided to the court staff. However, because you've used the event ID instead of the link, you will also have to fill in the event password, which will be provided by court staff. So let's copy this, paste it in, and then join now. Because you've also used the ID, it's going to get you to confirm some details. So the first name, last name, and email address will be automatically filled in. It just wants you to confirm your email address again, which we'll paste here. All these other details you can leave blank as they are optional and not mandatory to fill in. So you will need to find the Submit button. Depending on the screen resolution of your computer, this can be hidden. So you'll need to scroll down, scroll to the right, and then click Submit. So now we're presented with this screen again. So we'll click Run a Temporary Application. Open up the download folder. And then we're back at the Webex event, which we will join. And then you're in. And that's how you connect to Webex as a panelist.